everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Dollar Tree haul. Now, this is stuff that I've accumulated over the last week. Last week, I made a quick video on the Children's Play shirts, and I found like a couple. There wasn't much to choose from, but then I went to a different store today, and I only wanted to go to the Dollar Tree store to get two items. And I actually found 3 of the things that I wanted on my wish list. So I was just like, yes! So I'm just going to share with you guys a bunch of stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree. Some really good finds. And some stuff to do DIYs with and all that jazz. The first thing I was really excited to find was these egglets. Now I actually found this before. And then I'm like, I don't even know what the heck these are. And these Dollar Tree groups that I'm in, people are just like, these are going crazy. These are an as seen on TV thing. It's basically you just crack the egg, you boil it, and you can pop it so you can make hard-boiled eggs every time. So I thought for $1 that's kind of cool to make. I ended up getting, so I just dumped everything into a bag so it's easier because I have Miss Charlotte in my hands. But I ended up getting 2 of them. So I was thinking of maybe getting one for my mom for Christmas or just giving it to her. So I thought for $1, you can't go wrong with that. And they're really cool, like just regular silicone things that you can make some eggs with it, and there's 4 of them in here, so thought that was a pretty good deal. So yes, I ended up getting some letters. I'm gonna do a project, and I thought these are kind of good to get. They're actually at a decent size that I want to do, so they're just the regular alphabet stickers. Miss Charlotte's like, ooh, what's that? What's that? Yeah. So she's like, I want those. So I ended up doing that to do a couple DIYs that I want to do. I ended up getting just a blind bag of this Hello Neighbor toy. One store that I go to that's on the other side of town, they always have like awesome blind bags. I've never found a store that has had so much blind, like that's my favorite store to go to. I have to drive 30 minutes or 40 minutes to get there, but like that store I always find the best finds. Sorry, the background noise is Ben, but I always find like the best stuff there. And I found these like little things, and Ben doesn't really play the video game, but he watches a family that does play this game, so he knows. Yeah, the FGTV people. So I'm like, you know what, if you want that, that's fine, you know. Sometimes when he's driving me nuts, and then, you know, he's a good boy for like the whole time, I'm like, yeah, I guess you can get something. But I'm going to share with you guys the Children's Play shirts that I got. Now, this one says I'm animated, scan and bring me to life. Okay, I'm not scanning that, but I ended up getting this shirt. Now, this is an extra large, which is a size 16, so I thought Ben could get this when he gets a little bit older. He's only 5, but he's already wearing size 10 and 12 clothes. He is on the chunky side, but that he could wear this as like a nightgown because he sometimes just sleeps in t-shirts. But they got really specific sizes, but this is just like, you know, a rocket ship going to space. I thought for $1, you guys, Benjamin, please be quiet, honey. But this was originally $10.50, so for $1, go for it. And I love the Children's Place clothes. Like the one that they had near me closed down, and so I have to drive 40 minutes either direction to get one or to go to that store. The next one I got is an extra large. So this is a size what, 14, I think. Yeah, 14. This one says I'm gonna be it's gonna be a kind of day with like pizza, gamer, and emoji guys. So I thought for $1, you know, why not? And Ben can grow into these, or he can wear them as night shirts. I don't care. That one space one I could actually fit into. So I got Miss Charlotte a t-shirt. Now this is a 4T. These were $9.50. It says Daddy can't handle me, even if I came with instructions. So I thought that was kind of a cute little shirt. I'm not a big fan of like the word shirts for her, but you know what? For $1, and if we ever need to ruin a shirt, I'm totally okay with that. I got Ben another shirt. This is a size large. This says this Irish bad to the bone. It's just this guy with a skull that's like for St. Patrick's Day. So I thought, why not? You know, why not? And these do shrink just a little bit. I also got Miss Charlotte a shirt. Now this was a long sleeve shirt. So this was originally $10.50. It's size medium. So she can wear this, you know, in very many years from now. But I like to buy clothes when I see them, especially if they're super cheap. And the reason why I do that is because when I resell my clothes, I basically get what I paid. So I always coupon for clothes. I never buy really on season. I do sometimes, but majority of the stuff is all off season on clearance. But this says, never underestimate the power of a girl. And it's got like a cat, and it looks kind of like a jaguar. So I thought that was super cute. I got another shirt in here. Now this is a shirt for Charlotte. It's a 5T. It says, beautiful like mommy, adored by daddy. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get these for $1, you guys. And like, I was looking at the shirts and this guy was standing right there and he would not like move or anything. And I'm just like walking around him. And I'm not a person, you know, I'm like, he's there first, but it's just like, you know, I'm just trying to grab some shirts. Another shirt I got is an 18 to 24 month. Now, they had a lot of little boy stuff, but Ben can't fit into those. But this was another shirt from Miss Charlotte. It's a long sleeve. It says, I'm not bossy, I'm the queen. And I wish it said the princess, but I thought that's a cute shirt for her to wear next winter. And I think that is it. Yeah, nope, I got one more, you guys. Okay. So then this is a 5T and it says spoiled and loving it. Yes, she will be my little princess. So yeah, got that shirt. So all those for $1, you guys. Like, that is awesome. And then when I sell them, I'll pretty much get my money back because I sell my clothes for $1. So I get my money back for that. Miss Charlotte's like, what else do you got in the bag, Mom? What else do you got in the bag? So I ended up getting these little eyeballs to wear for Halloween. That these are super cute. It just lights up. 3 different functions. I thought when I hand out candy this year and wear my little Halloween outfit, I'm like, I'm going to definitely wear that. I got 3 splatter. You're going to drop the bag. You know that, Miss Charlotte, right? I got 3 little splatter things with the handles on it. I'm going to do something with them. So I got those to do for a little project for that. So I was pretty excited for that. Now I ended up making a Halloween wreath for you guys, and I'm working on a Thanksgiving or fall wreath. It's going to be pretty much the same exact way, and the reason why I do that is because people search for specific wreaths, and if I have the same wreaths, a lot of people are like, you're just making the same wreath. Yes, I am. I've had problems with that in the past, but guess what? Everybody looks for specific wreaths, so I'm going to be making another DIY video for the Christmas. So these ones have more of the tube mesh in them, but it looks a lot smaller than the other ones. So this one says these are 12 yards towards the other ones are 3 yards. So I'm not sure if I needed more, but I ended up just buying 2 of each color. So I got 2 of the red ones, 2 of the green tubes, and then I got 2 of the silver tubes. So I'm pretty excited to make some wreaths. Those wreaths are so easy to make, you guys. Definitely check out my Halloween one. I made it in one day, especially with 2 kids. I made it in one day. But I just like having wreaths. I just love decorating my house all throughout the house. I like having a wreath pretty much on every door on the main floor. So there's that. I also got these word decor. Now I got some fall ones last year and I still have to use those, which there are some DIYs that I'm going to use it with. But I ended up getting the metal ones for Christmas. Now these say peace, joy, and believe. So I got those just in case I come up with an idea. And I like these. I love these. I wish they came up with more of them or more sayings or something like that. And then, hey Benjamin, here's Woody.
Thank you.
And then I ended up getting a lot of ribbon, you guys. Now I made a Mickey Mouse ribbon wreath like a year or 2 ago, and I love it. That is my favorite wreath. It's my most expensive wreath that I have ever made, but I am so excited to make it. And then I made one for Valentine's Day, and I'm like, you know what, I want to make a Christmas one. So the Christmas ribbon was out, so I just kind of went crazy over the Christmas ribbon because I wanted to make one of these wreaths. So you guys will see this one. Now this one is very time consuming, but I will be working on it soon. But I ended up getting 2 of each color, so I got 2 of this design. I got 2 of the snowflakes. Now I don't even know how much I need, but I ended up getting 2 of each color anyways, just in case I needed more, or I can always make another wreath and sell it. So I got 2 of the green sparkles. I got 2 of the silver because I like silver over gold. This is the type of person I am. I got like this candy cane print. I got 2 of the red sparkles. I got like this mistletoe, or what is it? I don't even know what this is called. Yeah. And then I got this one. I thought that one's kind of cute. So that's the wreath that I'm going to be making. It's just one of my ribbon wreaths, but again, I want to kind of make it because I just like wreaths, and I find it very, you know, very relaxing. Hold on, Miss Cheryl, it's like pulling my hair. I find it really relaxing, you know, doing wreaths and everything. I find it just relaxing, and now, you know, I want to get more DIYs done. I really want to do more DIYs for you guys, just for my sake, and it's just more relaxing and all that stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed Miss Charlotte's shirt's dirty. We had a rough day today. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. Just a bunch of stuff, but I was pretty excited to find those shirts, you guys. Definitely check them out. They're like the item of the week, so I found them like right when you walk in the store. But definitely check them out. Every store has different varieties, so just check them out. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a
thumbs up for Magnetiles.
Ben's playing with Magnetiles right now, so thumbs up for Magnetiles, and we will see you guys all for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.